In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix not receiving text messages on iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to back out of iMessages or Messages and just open up your Settings app. From here, select Search down at the very bottom, type in Messages, and open up your Messages settings. You're going to see an iMessage section on here. Go ahead and turn iMessage off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on, and this will refresh the iMessage activation. From here, tap Send and Receive and make sure that your phone number is selected. You can also leave your email selected if you want to receive messages there as well. But then go back to your messages settings and then find Send as Text Message and make sure that's turned on. This will help your phone receive and send regular SMS messages as well. If you see RCS messaging, and this is not a setting that everybody has yet, so just keep that in mind, tap it, make sure it's turned on, and also find the Filter Unknown Sender section on here as well. If it's enabled, this will prevent messages from unknown numbers being moved to separate hidden sections, so I recommend turning that off. After that, restart your iPhone. If it's still not coming through though, back out to the main settings page, and once you're on the main settings page, select General, scroll down to the bottom, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit Reset and hit Reset Network Activity or Reset Network Settings. And then finally, once you do that, just swipe down from the top right, turn on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back off. And after reconnecting, your text messages should start coming through again. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.